Tired of guests asking, how do you check in over and over again? In 2 easy steps, you can automate your pre-arrival messages to cut 90% of those questions. Step 1, provide the instructions ahead of time.
So we're going to start by creating the first automated message. So we're going to add a workflow, create from scratch. We're going to say 7 days before. We're going to assign it to this listing, and we're going to set the condition to before 7 days, guest checks in. We're going to hit done. Then we can add a condition if it is Airbnb, and then we're going to add a message, and then we're going to select Airbnb message, and you could do the same kind of thing but in reverse if you want to do Verbo or something like that. So we're going to say hi, personalized text. We're going to go to guest, and we're going to go to name, first name. We look forward to hosting you. As a reminder, make sure to check out your boarding pass. We're going to add the boarding pass link, and then it's just embed there to see all the check-in instructions. That's Jacob and Elissa. We'll hit done, and then we can turn it on and then hit save.
Step 2, send a reminder.
1 day before, we're going to add workflow, create from scratch, same thing, 1 day before. Then for guest checks in, 1 day, and then condition. So let's say we want to do Airbnb again, hit done. Maybe this is something different that says like, hi. So we'll do the same thing where we get the guest first name, reminding you about your check-in time tomorrow at, we could do check-in time. So if you can't find something, you could just type it in, check-in time tomorrow at, we look forward to hosting you. We offer a few great options if you'd like an early check-in or late check-out in your boarding pass, and grab the boarding pass link. That's Jacob and Elissa. Done, turn on, hit save. And now you have the 7 days before and then 1 day before messages.
Pro tip, embed your guest app link into your automated messaging. We do this because it's easy for the guest to click on one link and find all the information they need. We use Enso Connect for this because it provides the guest a seamless experience from pre-check-in to check-out. If you're interested in getting a demo or learning more about Enso Connect, we'll leave a link in the description below, or go over to our channel, Jacob and Elissa, and click on the link.